In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Stripe Instant Payout. If you've ever needed your funds right away, Instant Payouts let you move available money from your Stripe balance to your bank in minutes using an eligible debit card, instead of waiting for the normal payout schedule. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard. From there, open Settings, then find Bank Accounts and Scheduling. This is where you link the debit card that Instant Payouts will use. Add a debit card issued by your bank. Make sure it's a standard debit card, not a credit card, and that the card details match your account information. Many Visa and MasterCard debit cards work, and adding the card here sets it as the destination for instant transfers. Save your changes and return to the dashboard. Before you continue, it's important to confirm that your account is eligible. Instant payouts are supported in many regions, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, the European Union, Australia, and others. Availability can vary by bank, card type, and currency. Also note that brand new Stripe accounts often have about a 7-day waiting period before the first payout is allowed, and only funds that are marked as available can be paid out instantly. Pending or reserved funds won't be transferable until they clear. You may also see payout limits or fees. Instant payouts typically include a small fee in exchange for the speed. When you are ready to move money, go to the Balances page in the dashboard. Click Payout Funds. Then choose Instant as the payout speed. Select the amount you want to transfer. Review the estimated arrival time and fee, and confirm. In most cases, the money appears in your bank within minutes. You can monitor the status in the Payout section and see a record of the transfer alongside your other activity. If you don't see the instant option, it usually means the debit card isn't supported, your funds aren't yet available, or your account is still within the initial waiting period. Once eligibility requirements are met and an eligible card is on file, the instant choice will appear whenever you have an available balance. Remember to keep your debit card details current and ensure your account balance stays positive to prevent payout failures or delays. That's it. Add a debit card, confirm eligibility, and send an instant transfer right from your balance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get paid faster with Stripe Instant Payouts.